Hello friends, in my previous video I showed you how to create ROC curve for your data, and in this video I will show you how to calculate the area under the curve. You can use this formula to calculate area under any curve in Excel. So what we will do is find area of all the trapezoids in the curve. Here you can see that formula for area of trapezoid is height into a plus b, which are these two sides, divided by 2. And we use this formula because here you can see that in this curve at every point there is a trapezoid. Here there is one trapezoid, then there is another trapezoid, and this also we can make trapezoid if we add uh, some side to it. So we will use the formula for calculating the area of trapezoid, and then we will add all those things. So now our area, this is our ROC curve with maximum points 1 and minimum point 0, and here the FPR is the x-axis and TPR is the y-axis. So the first point is, it cannot form a trapezoid, but these two 4 points can form a trapezoid. So we will use the formula here to calculate the area of first trapezoid. So we'll write equal to, and then for the two sides we will add the TPR 0. This TPR is the y-axis, so the two sides will be y-axis, so this will be the 0 will be the first side, then we will add the second side to it, and then we have to multiply it with the height. So here I will use the symbol multiply, and then for height I will add the x-axis value minus the previous x-axis value and then divide it by 2. So this will give me area of the first trapezoid, and then we have to find area of all the trapezoids which are there. So I will just copy this formula for the entire range, and in this way I will get area of all the trapezoids in the curve. Now to find the area under the curve, I will simply add all those things. So here I will write equal to sum, and I will select this entire range, and click enter. So this will give me the area under the curve. It is equal to 0.8786, which is approximately 0.88. So that is the area under this ROC curve. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.